Hello and welcome to the next video. 11 minutes left. This is going to be the last wins now. The fabric conditioner is going to go in now. And you can hear it because it's filling up a bit slower than usual. I think it fills up through 2 pipes, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how high the water level is going to go either. Oh, the clothes are stuck to the drum there after this spin. Oh no, they haven't. Yeah, they've fallen down at a really weird angle. I'm glad that colour catcher's gone. That's the seal that was stuck there for ages. Thanks to the high water level, it got rid of it. Managed to dislodge itself. Lift to a high level. I've not used this cycle, I don't think, before. There's that many there's choose from, I forget which ones I've used. But this will definitely be on my list again to use again darks. Come on. Still filling. It's gonna go up there on the window again. Half load deep rinse is very rare for a candy. That's still filling, bloody hell. Can't believe this. Bloody hell, it's still filling. Bloody hell, that's high. I'm gonna get a good shot here. If I try and go there, look at that.